Hello and welcome to Zimstek Media. President Cyril Ramaphosa has told the South Africans to stop blaming migrants for the country's challenges, saying the real issues must be fixed by South Africans themselves. He addressed recent anti-immigrant marches where mobs with sticks and shields ordered undocumented foreigners to leave by June 30. There are some who blame the current government's problems, unemployment, crime, poor service delivery on foreign nationals, Ramaphosa said. Even as we tackle illegal immigration, our problems are our own problems. We have a responsibility to fix them. Revealed youth unemployment is at 42% compared to 32% for the overall workforce. Ramaphosa outlined government job creation plans and urged businesses to hire first-time workers without experience. Practical solutions are not scapegoating of vulnerable people, he stressed. After the event, the president warned march organizers. There does not seem to be any intention to destabilize the country, and the clear message is that we are not going to allow that. The unrest has sparked security fears. Citizens from Malawi, Zimbabwe, Nigeria, Ghana, and Mozambique have accepted voluntary repatriation from their governments. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.